Hey guys, so I'm going to lead you through a tutorial that shows you how to write your first Java program. It's going to be a basic Hello World program. And the purpose of writing this program is really just to get you familiar with writing code in Java. Once you can write the Hello World program, everything seems much easier. So as you remember, we downloaded IntelliJ earlier. IntelliJ is the platform on which we're going to be writing all of our Java code. So whenever you want to write a program, open up IntelliJ, and when you want to create a new program, click on New Project. Now once you click on New Project, make sure that on the left side here, Java is selected. This bar that says Project SDK, you want to make sure that it's not blank. As you remember, we downloaded a version of JDK earlier, along with IntelliJ, and that should be selected over here in Project SDK. I downloaded the Java version 15, so that's why version 15 is selected for me. But you must have downloaded version 18 or newer of the JDK, so that should be selected. Now don't tick any of these boxes that say Groovy or Kotlin and click on Next. Then you want to click on Create Project from Template, and then click on Next again. Now you can name your project. Since we're writing a Hello World program, I'm going to name it Hello World. So, as you can see on the left side here, when I click on Source Code, it says Main. Main is just the name of the class that we're writing the code in. For now, don't worry about what a class is or what a method is. Classes and methods are just part of object-oriented programming, which you'll learn more about later. So this sentence here that says public static void main, it's just the main method. We'll talk more about what the main method is later, but just remember that every program in Java has a main method. Until we learn about object-oriented programming, we're going to be writing our code inside the main method. So our goal in this program is to print out the text Hello World. When you want to print out a text in Java, you can write system.out.println, open brackets, open quotation marks, and then inside the quotation marks, write whatever it is that you want to print out. So I can write Hello World. And in Java, you end every line of code that you write with a semicolon. So make sure that you end every line that you write with a semicolon, or the program will give you an error. So over here, this line of code is basically telling the computer to print out whatever is written in this bracket. So when I run the program, you can see that it prints out Hello World. So that's how you print something out in Java.